In this video we will demonstrate how to locate the override option and add a user override. Let's start from the course page. First, we need to locate and open our quiz activity. Once on the quiz page, click on the More tab, and from the drop-down, select Overrides. Next, click on the drop-down menu to access the override options, User Overrides, and Group Overrides. User Overrides is for individual students, and Group Overrides is for entire groups. We will start with the User Override. First, select the option, and click on Add User Override. From here you will be able to select the user or users and modify the quiz settings for them. To select the students, search for them by name and click on the corresponding option. From here you can adjust the following settings. For the required password, you can set a different password for specific students. This is optional. For the open/close dates, you can set a different start and end date. For attempts allowed, you can increase or decrease the number of attempts. Now to modify the quiz settings for them, note that there are two paths you can take, depending on the situation, providing that there is adequate reasoning for taking such action. If a student missed the quiz completely, and the cutoff date has passed, you can adjust the open and close dates to produce a new time frame for the student to attempt the quiz. Now here is what to do if the student already made an attempt, and that attempt needs to be made void. You can increase the number of attempts by 1, and adjust the open and close dates, if the cutoff date has passed, to provide them with an additional attempt. There is also the option to revert to quiz defaults. Once you are finished, click the Save option. You can return to the override list to confirm that the changes have been applied correctly. Now you can locate the override option, and add a user override.